This income-producing two-story stilt home is located on 0.70 acres just off Slater Road. Is gated at entrance, completely fenced, 840 feet perimeter, with 6 feet PVC fencing for privacy, and zoned agricultural. First floor features living area, half bath/laundry room, French doors to covered screen porch, access to garage, and door leading to second floor stairs. Second floor features living room, dining area, open kitchen, 2 bedrooms and bathroom. Master bedroom includes French doors to rear covered deck with stairs leading to backyard. First floor has a window unit, upstairs has central AC. Additional rear patio with door leading to garage. Additional covered parking and plenty of room to add a pool. Home does need some TLC, but lots of possibilities here.